Yeah. Yeah, show me around. What were you?
So these are two-seaters. They only made, I think this year, they only made them in 68, 69, 70. This one with these options is very, very rare. It's a 394 speed Borg Warner T10. The Go Pack has the Go Pack package, and I'll show you the motor. They're very fast because they don't weigh anything. They broke a lot of records at Sebring, at 24-hour Sebring, especially the SS, the red, white, and blue Hearst SS AMXs. They were really, really fast. They had dual quads in them. This has the Group 19 package. It's a little upgrade in cam and the manifold, but they're very fast. They handle really well. A lot of fun. It's the whole car is completely number matching original, but I changed a few things to, like the air cleaner. I took the emissions off, so this is not the original one. I have the original one in my garage, and I put headers on it. Those aren't original, but just it breathes better. And I put electronic ignition in it. It's inside. This looks original, but it's inside here is electronic instead of the points.
Yeah.
So it just runs better with a little of today's technology.
Now, I'm just curious because I know, like, was this a myth? Like back in the day, if you moved that cap upside down, did that help at all, or is that just more of a myth?
No, it doesn't make any difference.
It didn't do any difference?
No.
I always heard that was like a thing people would do, like to try to get as much power out of their engines.
Well, you maybe get a little bit more air in it. That's like in 70 they put a hood scoop on here, so the air would be rammed right down the carburetor. So there is truth to that too, but I don't know if taking the top off would make much of a difference. It's
Beautiful.
pretty wide open, so
Beautiful.
it breathes pretty well.
Now, what do you think was the hardest thing with like restoring this?
It took me 12 years. I wanted to do it right, so I took it completely apart, down to bare metal. I took everything apart, every screw, every nut, even the gauges I took apart. Every whole interior, took it apart. But then, I took pictures and tagged everything. But then it was really tough to put back together because it's like building a brand new car.
Yeah.
So I actually bought a parts car a rust bucket, had no floors in it, and I parked it alongside it, and I'd run back for to see how it was done. It took 12 years of just myself doing it, except I did have someone paint it because I can't paint.
Oh, that's another art form.
That's a completely different, and black is impossible. It has to be perfect or it shows everything.
So going back to it, do you think that old cars have more character, more soul than new cars?
Absolutely. Everything on the road today looks the same. A Lexus Cadillac looks like a Toyota. I mean, they all look the same, and they all have like 3 different colors.
Yeah.
You get the black, the gray, the white, the tan interior, or the black or gray interior. It's not, they're great cars today, but man, there's no character. It's nothing.
Character. And I think like the older cars, most of my experience, I feel you just took pride that you could take a wrench, you could fix it, you can maintain it.
Oh yeah, look how much room I have here.
Yeah, like you could fit almost.
I can fix this myself.
Yeah.
A new car, you really need to be into computers.
Yeah.
And there's no room to work on them. You have to take 10 things apart to get at one. So it's no. I prefer older cars. The old Cadillacs, you can't get a better ride. They're even better than a new Cadillac. The 70s and they're 18 feet long, I think, but they float.
Like
they just ride so nice, and the air conditioning is cold enough to hang meat inside it. They're just beautiful. I don't know. A lot more character, just fun.
Yeah.
And these cars you have to drive. You feel the road. Today you could be in. The new pickups feel like you're riding in a luxury car. They're all, but you don't feel the road like these. I feel the road. You can't just. You got to drive this. It's not like you can have a cup of coffee or you got to drive this one. But that's just me.
You have a name for her or not?
Betty.
Betty. Well, Betty, it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.